Every day in Canada, we encounter many people from around the world. As Iranian students ourselves, we can identify some of the mispronunciations of Farsi speakers when speaking English. Some of these mispronunciations are due to the vast differences between the two languages. Like all languages, Farsi and English have their sounds divided into two categories. Vowels such as A, E, I, O, U, and consonants such as B, S, D, and so on. Syllables are the smallest unit of production of a language. The beginning part of a syllable is called the onset position. A number of English words start with more than one consonant sound in the onset position. For instance, the word strength starts with a S, T, and R sound, which is composed of 3 consonants in total. This is what we call consonant clustering. Let's take a closer look at the syllable structure of English and Farsi. As one would expect, the syllable structure of Farsi is quite different in English. In English, you can have up to 3 consonants precede the vowel. However, in Farsi, syllables always start with a consonant followed by a vowel. What this means is that, as opposed to English, where consonant clusters can occur in the onset position, in Farsi this is not possible. This difference made us curious about how native Farsi speakers will pronounce English words that start with a consonant cluster. Since no Farsi words start with more than one consonant sound in the initial position of the syllable, we expected that native Farsi speakers will somehow adjust English words that start with consonant clusters to be able to pronounce them. In order to answer our questions and test our hypothesis, we decided to conduct an interview with native Farsi speakers here in Vancouver. We gave them a script full of sentences, and these sentences had words that start with consonant clusters. Words such as start, star, dress, and the like. Then we recorded them as they said these sentences out loud, and took a closer look at how they pronounced these consonant clusters. Let's take a look at some of these interviews.
My car wouldn't start.
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 Can I start?
You just saw 4 of the interviews we selected because the participants mispronounced the word start. The word start begins with 2 consonant sounds and t. Now, this wouldn't be a problem in English because we have many words that start with consonant clusters. However, in Farsi, no words can start with consonant clusters. Therefore, these native Farsi speakers added an extra s sound to the beginning of the word, turning the word into 2 syllables, est and art, and therefore avoiding the consonant cluster.